Hey friends, let's learn how to draw a rabbit in 9 easy steps. Feel free to add your own style and customize your rabbit with every step. Let's begin. Step 1. Let us begin by drawing an oval. Step 2. Draw a small circle within the oval to indicate the eye. Step 3. Draw another circle inside the eye. Shade the inside circle black. Step 4. Let's work on the ears of the rabbit. We will draw two curved lines on top of the oval. We can erase the part overlapping the oval. Step 5. Draw two curved lines along the left hand side of the oval for the nose and lips. Add 3 more curved lines to indicate the cute bunny whiskers. Step 6. Draw a big oval below the face. Step 7. Draw two small ovals at the bottom of the big oval for the tiny bunny feet. We can erase the part overlapping with the oval. Step 8. Draw a tiny semicircle to the right hand side of the oval for the tail of the rabbit. Step 9. Final step. Add details to the feet to indicate the paws. And now you know how to draw a rabbit. Don't forget to give it some color. Thank you for watching and have a great day.